video. I hope you guys enjoy it. This video is pretty much like a Valentine's Day type of look. I decided to go ahead and jump in the Valentine's Day festivities. Even though I don't really have a Valentine's this year, I figured I could still, you know, dip and dab in it. Like I've said in previous videos, starting this year, I want to dip and dab more into eyeshadows and colors and things like that. And also, I am also trying to learn how to get my lighting and my camera and everything all together. My tripod is broke, so my setup is like really bootleg right now. So I'm sorry, it's probably gonna come off a little weird, but I promise to get the look and concept across. But please bear with me while I'm still trying to get my camera settings together and my lighting together. I still don't know how to make everything go hand in hand, so there's going to be times where the footage is a little bit too light, and then there's going to be times where it's just like, whoa, wait a minute, what's going on? If you guys want to see how I got this purple look for Valentine's Day, stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. These my lights here. This is all my makeup that I'm using. Oh wait, and then my camera's on the sofa because my tripod's broke. So, and my camera's all the way up there. Like, it's a bootleg setup. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just irritated. Alright, to get into this look, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And then I am going into this palette that I use for every look that I do. And I'm using this shade for a transition color. I'll put everything in the description box down below. And then I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using Regler, and I'm popping that right underneath of the transition shade. Okay. Oh my god, y'all. Then I went into my Coastal Scents palette and I picked up this fuchsia color and I popped that right underneath of the color Regler. And I do go back and forth between Regler and this fuchsia to get the pigment that I want. And after that, I go back in with Fawn and I kind of cut the crease. Not exactly, but that's what I do here. And I swear it is so hard for me to do the cut crease look. I haven't mastered it yet. And what I do is use the concealer as like a brush, and then I go in with an actual brush, concealer brush, to smooth it all out. And I was on Facebook Live when I was doing this look, so I struggled a little bit. No, I struggled a lot trying to get this to go perfectly. And that's why I keep going out of frame, because I keep looking down at the phone, I keep looking down at the mirror. So that's why there's footage of me not really in frame, and I apologize for that. I gotta do better. I know, I'm gonna do better. Next video, I'm gonna do better. Trust me, I gotcha. Definitely, for sure. And then I'm going back into the Coastal Scents palette and I'm taking the purple shade and I am packing this on. Like, I don't care about fallouts, I don't care about none of that, okay? We gonna pack this on the lid. I actually could have packed it on a little bit more, but we still gotta look, so it's fine. So just keep going in, packing it on until it's to your liking, pretty much. And then I am going in with Cypress, which is in the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going in that to put a little bit of depth into my crease. And then I am blending that out with Regler, I believe. So you're gonna just play with all the colors that you use. You're gonna go back into that fuchsia. You're gonna go back into Regler. You're gonna go back into Cypress, and you can just keep using those three colors till you get it to how you want. Right here, I'm going back into the fuchsia. So you'll see that you have to keep playing around and building the color up to its intensity. And I decided to add a wing. I wanted a dramatic wing, but then I thought about it because I didn't know if I was going out later on after filming this look, so I didn't really do dramatic. So you can always do dramatic, it's up to you. And then after I do my wing, I apply my lashes. When I do eyeshadows, I like to do thicker lashes or a dramatic lash, and when I do a natural look, I really stay away from lashes that flare out like this. I like to keep it very neutral. And here I'm going back in with the fuchsia, and now I'm using my baby skin primer because it's time to get that foundation popping. Time to beat this face, or at least try to, you know, you know how we do. Y'all know how we do. Sometimes we get a look, sometimes we don't. But we gonna try and get a look, okay? Okay, sis? Okay. So I am using my L'Oreal True Match and I mixed it with my Maybelline Infallible Matte. Mixed the two, got my shade. It does look a little orangey and a little red on camera, but it oxidizes and it turns out to be the perfect shade for me. My face brushes and my eyeshadow brushes, I got them from Amazon. I love getting brushes from Amazon. This is my concealer. It is the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. Or is it Radiant Creamy? Listen, everything will be down in the description box, and it's in Armande or Armande. Listen, it's late, okay, and I'm doing this voiceover. I'm so sorry. So we're gonna blend it out with a Real Techniques beauty blender. Just beat it. Let's beat it. Let's beat this face. Let's get this concealer popping. Now, usually I do go in with a lighter concealer just to brighten up under the eye, but I skipped that process and I am going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Dark Cocoa for my contour. And my brushes for my foundation and for my concealer, I spritz it with e.l.f. Mist and Set, and it works perfect for me. So if you guys want to try that out, you can always try it out. Walgreens got it, Target got it, everybody got it. So it's a good buy. Here I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in Deep, and I use that for my face. I set all my concealer and I do set my laugh lines because I'm always laughing, I'm always smiling. I have to set those lines. And now I'm going in with a Black Radiance pressed powder in Rich Mahogany, and I am setting my contour. Here I'm using the e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray and getting ready for my highlight. I love doing highlight. I love it, I love it, I love it. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. And I mix together 143 and Glow Getter. I mix those two together to get my highlight shade. And I love this. Like, I can pack it on for days. And I take a stippling brush just to blend it, because if we just would have left it how it was before, girl, you would have looked like, I don't know, the ball on New Year's Eve. Okay? Then I am going back in with the purple shade that we have on our lids, and I am putting that in my bottom, on my bottom lash line. I also go in with Regler, and I apply that to my bottom lash line as well. And this is just a closer look. Still going in with that purple, and I pop on mascara on my bottom lash line, and that's pretty much it. Like, this look is so simple, anyone can achieve it, and pop the gloss on. Tell me everything you think I wanna hear. Fucking fans now. So let me tell you.